Namaste, welcome to my channel Aruna Goskunda. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. We are going to make mirchi bhaji today. The ingredients that are required are besan flour, rice flour, ajwain, jeera, turmeric powder, chilli powder and salt. Long chillies are required to prepare this recipe. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl and pour some water. Give it a nice stir. Ultimately, the batter should be of right consistency. Later, keep this batter aside for at least 20 minutes. The secret stuffing involves tamarind, ajwain and salt. Grind the stuffing in a small mixie jar. Take out the fiber from the tamarind pulp. Slit the green chilli lengthwise and rub it with a pinch of salt. Repeat the same process with all the chillies and keep them aside for 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, clean all the green chillies in a bowl of water. Pat them dry in a kitchen towel and keep them aside. Stuff the chillies with a little bit of tamarind pulp. Take the green chilli and coat it well with the batter. Put it in the oil for deep frying. Once the chilli turns golden brown, take it out from the oil and put it in the kitchen towel. We are going to prepare side accompaniment for our mirchi bhaji. It involves small pieces of onion mixed with coriander powder, jeera powder, pepper powder, amchur powder and rock salt. Garnish it with green chilli pieces and coriander leaves. Then add little lemon juice to it and give it a nice mix. Slit the mirchi bhaji lengthwise and stuff it with onion pieces. Apply little red chilli powder followed by salt and little lemon juice. Our recipe mirchi bhaji is ready to serve. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.